In this video, you'll learn how to add a user to the Sudo group in Ubuntu. This lets the user run commands with administrator rights. First, open your terminal. Now, you need to check if the user already exists. To do this, type ID username replace username with the name of the user you want to check. If the user exists, you will see a list of groups that user belongs to. If the user doesn't exist, you will get an error. If the user doesn't exist yet, create the user by typing sudo adduser username again, replace username with the name you want. You will be asked to set a password and enter some extra info. You can press enter to skip the extra fields. Next, we add the user to the Sudo group. Type sudo usermod sudo username. This command adds the user to the Sudo group without removing them from any other groups. If the user is currently logged in, they need to log out and log back in for the new group to take effect. That's it. You've added the user to the Sudo group. Thanks for watching.